itchy on my thumb. Oh, was that fun? Yeah!
Woo!
Oh, my thumb hurts.
Was that fun, Maya?
Yay!
You hurt? Daddy's okay.
It's okay.
Was it fun?
I didn't see the second jump. Okay. Okay, let's go over this one over here. Come with Daddy. This way.
Emma!
Come on.
I think Ella's frozen.
You have fun? You like sledding?